Insane leak, the 10 most incredible cars of 2026 finally revealed, game changers ahead. Welcome, car enthusiasts and curious viewers alike. If you've ever found yourself daydreaming about the future of automotive innovation, buckle up, you're in exactly the right place. Today, we're diving into an exclusive, never-before-seen leak detailing the 10 most incredible cars set to redefine the roads in 2026. Whether you're a seasoned gearhead or someone who simply appreciates jaw-dropping design and next-level tech, this rundown will leave you speechless. Our channel prides itself on being your friendly neighborhood source for the latest automotive scoops, and this game-changing reveal is no exception. We invite first-time viewers to join our community, where your passion meets our promise to deliver the freshest insights with a welcoming, professional touch. Let's set the stage. The automotive world is on the brink of a revolution. With climate concerns, shifting consumer tastes, and breakneck technological advancement, 2026 is poised to be the year everything changes. The leak we're exploring today comes straight from insiders, designers, engineers, and industry executives who have offered an unprecedented look at vehicles that shatter expectations. These aren't just cars. They are statements about where our society is heading. For those who may be new here, we strive to break down complex information into relatable stories, so whether you're here for the stats, the style, or the sheer spectacle, you'll find something to love. Kicking off our list is a vehicle that's already sending shockwaves through the industry, the Tesla Roadster 2 Hyper Edition. According to leaked specs, this beast boasts a 0–60 mph time under 1.7 seconds, a top speed north of 260 mph, and a range that redefines what's possible for electric vehicles. What's truly wild is the rumored Hyperloop mode, allowing short bursts of magnetic propulsion for an unthinkable acceleration experience. For newcomers, this isn't science fiction, it's the near future. Our channel believes everyone deserves to feel the thrill of this automotive leap, and we're here to make that excitement accessible to all. Next, let's talk about the Mercedes-Benz EQX Vision. This luxury EV sedan isn't just about comfort, it's about consciousness. The EQX's AI-driven interior adapts to your mood, adjusting lighting, music, and even scent profiles to create a personalized driving oasis. Leaked images hint at a sleek, minimalist dashboard with holographic displays and 0 physical buttons. For anyone who's been intimidated by high-tech vehicles, Mercedes is making strides toward intuitive design that welcomes drivers of all backgrounds. Third on our list is the Ford Mustang Mach-E Revolution. Ford's latest iteration combines classic muscle car DNA with bleeding-edge electric performance. The leak details a dual-motor setup cranking out over 900 horsepower, all while offering a retro-inspired design that pays homage to its storied past. What sets this Mustang apart is its track-to-tablet feature, allowing drivers to review real-time performance data on their smartphones. Our channel is all about bridging the gap between the old school and the new school, and the Mach-E Revolution is the embodiment of that spirit, inviting fans of all ages to discover the next chapter in American performance. Fourth, we have the Toyota Prius Prime Plus, which promises to push hybrid technology into new territory. According to insiders, the 2026 Prius will feature a solid-state battery, offering a staggering 750-mile range and a full recharge in less than 15 minutes. Its new aerodynamic design minimizes drag, while the interior boasts sustainable materials sourced from recycled ocean plastics. The message is clear: green can be gorgeous. For viewers who might think hybrids are boring, this Prius proves that innovation can be both eco-friendly and exciting. We're thrilled to showcase how accessible and aspirational green driving has become. Up next is the Porsche 911 e-Turbo, a stunning all-electric sports car that maintains the soul of its legendary predecessors. The leaked specs include a sub-minus 2-second 0-60 time and a top speed of 210 mph, with a handling package that keeps the driving experience pure and visceral. Porsche engineers have reportedly developed a unique simulated exhaust system, giving drivers the iconic 911 sound through adaptive speakers. We know our audience loves the blend of heritage and high-tech, and the 911 e-Turbo is proof that the future doesn't have to forget the past. First-time viewers will find a home here, where passion for performance meets an appreciation for tradition. Sixth on our list is the Rivian R3X, an electric pickup designed for both urban explorers and off-road adventurers. The R3X is rumored to feature a modular bed system, allowing for easy customization whether you're hauling gear or heading out for a weekend camping trip. With a projected 600-mile range and advanced self-recovery systems, this truck is redefining what's possible for utility vehicles. If you're new to our channel, know that we welcome all types of drivers. Whether you prefer paved streets or rugged trails, the R3X represents the versatility and innovation that's changing the game for everyone. Seventh, we spotlight the BMW E8M, a plug-in hybrid supercar that combines Bavarian engineering with futuristic flair. The leak reveals a lightweight carbon fiber chassis, laser-etched LED lighting, and a powertrain delivering over 750 combined horsepower. Inside, the E8M features augmented reality windshields that project navigation and hazard alerts directly onto the road ahead. For those who crave both speed and sophistication, this car is a dream come true. Our community loves sharing in the excitement of these boundary-pushing technologies, and we're always here to welcome new fans into the fold. Eighth, the Hyundai Ioniq 9X makes waves as an autonomous family crossover that doesn't compromise on style or safety. The Ioniq 9X's Level 5 self-driving capability, confirmed by the leak, means you can relax and enjoy the ride whether you're commuting or embarking on a cross-country adventure. The interior is designed like a lounge, complete with rotating seats, entertainment hubs, and even a mini fridge. If you're new here, we invite you to imagine a future where driving is truly effortless and inclusive. Hyundai's vision is one we're excited to watch come alive. Ninth is the Lucid Gravity GT, a luxury SUV that blends performance, range, and opulence in a single, breathtaking package. Leaked details indicate a tri-motor setup producing over 1,200 horsepower, with a range exceeding 500 miles and a cabin that rivals private jets. The Gravity GT features biometric security, adaptive suspension, and a panoramic roof that brings the outside world in. As we walk through these innovations, we hope both new and returning viewers feel inspired by what's possible when ambition meets artistry. The Gravity GT is a testament to the heights luxury EVs can reach. To wrap up our incredible journey, let's reflect on what these leaks really mean. 2026 is set to be a watershed year for the automotive world. From jaw-dropping performance to sustainability milestones, these 10 cars are more than just transportation. They're the future, unfolding before our eyes. Here at our channel, we're honored to share these moments with you, whether you're a lifelong fan or just discovering your love for cars. We invite you to join our community, share your thoughts, and be part of this exciting road ahead. The revolution is coming, let's experience it together.